your show.
How about you come into it instead? My ride,
Oh, okay.
Oceanic. I hope you'll visit.
Is that Zach Fuller? Who is this? It's like a skunk girl. The internet's gonna be totally normal about that character, for sure. Don't worry, Rambley, I've got it. Don't know if I like this. Scared me. Is this thing gonna get up and chase me later? It's like an animatronic, I guess. The one on the main menu didn't look like an animatronic, though. Oh, I'm already scared. Let me on. Hey!
Hey there, Lloyd.
Do not shame me with that common folk name.
Hey there, Lloyd.
I am the proud, the prestigious, the professional Lloydford L. Lion, actor extraordinaire.
I love him!
Great act, Lloyd.
Of course it was.
Rambley hates him! He's just like, oh, I fucking hate this guy. I love that.
So, what do you think? Pretty fun, right? Now you know all about my friends and Lloyd. So, where do you want to go?
He hates him. Where do I want to go? Oh. I told you! Look! Look! On the ride screen! One of the captured photos! The animatronics following us!